Hi, lovely people. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we finally got our September 2020 Boxyluxe. This is a $50 seasonal subscription, so it's every 3 months. If you want to see what I got in this Boxyluxe, was it worth the wait? Then just keep on watching. Alright, so this puppy just came today. This is my PR box. So, I know a lot of times you guys ask me how much the weight was. So, let me show you what happens. It comes in a box like this. So, for this month, my base box that I receive in PR and my Boxyluxe both go in that box. I also don't get an email with a tracking number. So, I don't have anything to track, and even if I did, it doesn't do like what individual weight is. It's like what both boxes weigh, so I can't tell you that. Hopefully there's a card in here that I can tell you like what variation I got. Now, the one that I pay for hasn't been shipped yet, but the premium box that I do pay for shall be here tomorrow. So, expect a lot of Boxycharm videos coming. Alright, let's open her up. I don't want to keep waiting. So I was checking my post office like every day because I seen so many people post stuff, and I'm like, what in the world? And because you never know when it's shipped, you never. Every day I was like, oh my God, still no Boxycharm. So I was shocked when it was in the post office today. All right, so that's what she looks like. It says Boxyluxe. And there we go. There's a little sneak peek. I see some goodies in here. Now, I don't watch spoiler videos or anything like that, so I really don't know. I don't even watch videos when I don't get my boxes yet. I just see like who I'm subscribed to. Their thumbnail will come up. So, a lot of the stuff like I didn't know we were getting in here. Some things I know, but I like to do first impressions unboxing. So, all right, let me shut up and keep going. So, my variation I got this month is 20. I don't know if you can see that with the light. But the theme for this month is glam vibes only. And I actually really like how this looks this month. Like the theme. I think that's so pretty. I really like that. All right, and then on here tells you what everything is and gives you prices. Let's see how many we get.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I remember when Boxyluxe first started, we got like 10 or 11, remember? And then we got 9. Now we get 8. All right, but for $50, you definitely get your retail value. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing is from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Kilowatt highlighters, the freestyle highlighters. Now, I did know that this could be a choice. As far as the choice item, because I get this in PR, I don't get to choose, so I just get whatever. All right, so that's what she looks like. I have a few of her highlighters, and they're all right. They're not my favorite. They're more glittery than what I would like, but they're beautiful. All right, so this is in the shade What a Brat. What a brat. Oh, that's too funny. All right, let's see. I think this is like a pink shade. Yeah. Okay, so it has a nice mirror, and that's just gorgeous. But if you guys can see, it has a lot of glitter. So I like to use these for my eyes. They're just beautiful. So that's, I mean, God, look at that. That's just gorgeous. There we go. And actually, let me turn you down. I don't know if you guys can see. Actually, it's not that glittery. Let me go in again so that you guys can see. This is not real opaque like some of her highlighters are. And I'd rather it be like that. So I'll put another. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Like that will be a very good lid shade for me. Alright, so I'm excited. How much is this puppy? How much is that? $36. Alright, so this is like halfway pays for the box. Alright, so we have that. The next thing we have is from Skin Camp. This is a Magic Eyes Collagen Hydrogel Eye Mask. It's a 5-pack. And I love stuff like this. I love getting skincare since I am 44. So I don't mind, especially anything for your eyes. Yes, ma'am. All right, and this is $20. So it's probably like just the eye patches. I don't know. Let's open her up and see. All right, so I got the plastic off. So since I'm paying for my Boxyluxe, it hasn't been shipped yet, I'll probably unbox that, but put that in a giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Yeah, so you get 5 like of these eye patches. All right, so that's pretty good. I know a little trick. If you put eye patches on and they like fall down, put one of your sheet masks on top of it and it will kind of hold them in, and like you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. That's what I usually do. All right, so we have that. The next thing is from Clean Skin Club. These are clean towels. Now, I don't know what this is. Right here, I was reading the back what that says. Let's see, how much is this puppy? But this is a 25 pack and it's $9.95. It says step 1, clean mirror or flat surfaces. Remove film from, what? What is this? Let me read what this is. Clean towels are for first disposable, organic, and 100% biodegradable face towel. We created this product to complete any skincare routine in the best way possible, ensuring the skin is super clean and untouched by bacteria and germs and blah, okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so these are for your face. I am definitely excited to try this out. All right, the next thing we got, this lid was open. This is from Kate Somerville, and I love this. Oh, this is exfoliator. I have tried this before. Now, she's expensive. You can get these at TJ Maxx a lot of times. These are like $80-something if I can recall. Let's see. Yeah, it is $85. I would never pay that. It's really good, but go to TJ Maxx. All right, so I'm definitely excited to receive that. So then we have this. As soon as I seen this reminded me of the Trisha Paytas subscription box. And we got the exact same case, but just the case. Do you guys remember that when I unboxed it? So this is from Pure. The one I got was all plain white. So it's a travel case with brushes in here. And this is, holy crap, $48. It's a 12-piece cruelty brush set. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway as well. So I'm not going to take the paper out because, so they are definitely, they're not like full size, like regular size. It's more travel size, but that's what it looks like. That's right here what the bristles look like. But again, I will put this in a giveaway because I have so many brushes and I never travel anywhere. So if you're not already, make sure that you are subscribed and put that post notification bell on. That way you will know when I do my giveaways. All right, so it looks like we have a couple more things. The next thing is from Hip Dot. I heard of this company before. I think they did like a SpongeBob collection, I think. All right, so this is an eyeshadow palette for $30. All right, that's not bad, $30. I've never tried anything personally from this brand. I love these colors. Oh, wow, this is pretty. So it has a nice mirror. Hey, girl. And these are the colors. That is just gorgeous. I got to do some swatches. That is really, really pretty. All right, let me just do. They are very pigmented. So I'll do 3 mattes. I mean, look at that. Oh, yeah. Wow. Now, this is how an eyeshadow palette should be. 1 swatch. All right, so let's do some shimmer shades and see. Ooh. Okay, so here are 3 shimmer shades. Yeah, that's pretty. That's gorgeous. This one, not so much. Let me go in with a, another swatch. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Guys, that's a gorgeous palette. This is probably one of my favorite palettes that we got from Boxycharm. I mean, I haven't tried. I don't know how it blends, but as far as like the pigment, the colors, beautiful. This box is really good. I did my Ipsy Plus yesterday. I'll leave that down below, and that was pretty good. I don't know what this is. It says apply on corners. It's mirror stickers. I have no idea what that is. I have no idea. That was just in here, so I don't know if it goes with something. All right, so we have two more things. The next thing is from Persona, and this is a lip gloss. Ooh, I love lip glosses. In the shade Honey Gloss. And this is $16. Not bad. I love glosses. I wear glosses every day. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is a color like I can wear on my own, and it actually goes with the eyeshadow palette. I mean, look. It's very opaque. It is a gloss, and it goes perfect with the palette. Doesn't really have a scent too much. A little slight, like, cakey scent. Not too bad. All right, so we got that. And last but not least, this is from 1-1 Skin. And I know these puppies are expensive. Like, I hate to look at the price. So, this is, how many you get in here? I don't know, maybe it'll tell me. Let's see, how much is this? I'm scared to look. Okay. You know, I gotta get my glasses on. I don't think I'm reading. God, guys, these things are so dirty. $135. You get 5 masks. What the heck is in here that it's so expensive? It says the ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Holy crap, this better give me Botox and everything. $135 for 5. No ma'am. I would never pay for it. But that's why I like subscription boxes. Alright, so I got variation 20. I will leave right around here the total value of this box. So this was a $50 box. You get it every 3 months. So let's recap. We got this $135 mask. We have the Kate Somerville, which was $85. Like, this is really good stuff in here. We have the Hip Dot. This is the Zion palettes. We got the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels, which I'm really excited to try that. We have a Pure 12-piece travel brush set, which I will put in a future giveaway very soon. So, guys, make sure you put your post notification bell on. We have the Skin Camp Magic Eyes. And then we have the Fenty highlighter. Oh, and then we have the lip gloss. I think this is probably one of my favorite Boxyluxes of all year, too. Like, these boxes this month are really, really good. Let me know what you got. Did you get your Boxycharm? Are you still waiting for your Boxycharm? If you did, tell me what variation you got. Are we box twins? Let me know everything down below. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going. So if you like this unboxing, if you like Boxycharm or Boxyluxe, if you liked your box, please consider giving this video a like. It only takes a second and it really does help me out. If you like subscription boxes, unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to turn the post notification bell on. Make sure you double tap it and have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. I have a few coming up. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, I am impressed.